Springtime is here and my driven strawberry muffins is one of my favorites to make, especially when my garden is doing so well this year. Hey guys, let's do it! I found the best temperature to bake is at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. The higher temperature ensures we have relatively dry and higher domes, which is desirable for muffins as opposed to cupcakes. Plus, it shaves off about 30% of baking time compared to baking at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. With strawberries, the more ripened ones, the better. You can either twist or cut the stem off. Although twisting is more savory, but it doesn't work well with strawberries with harder stem. We want to put each half facing the opposite side to create a leaning rectangle. I'm sure there's a word to call this figure, I just don't know, so you let me know, okay? If you just follow the order of ingredients listed from top down, you only need the 1/3 measuring cup for these ingredients. No need to dirty more than needed, right? I usually consider that when writing my recipes, just more efficient and less cleaning. Now we just beat these ingredients for 15 seconds. I love to shake and I measure. Don't do that if you like 100% precise, but shaking does remove air pockets. It's a good thing. Strawberry extract is optional, you may skip if don't have it. Here's a little tip, if you just manually mix the ingredients with the mixer just a little bit before running the machine, that will prevent the flour from spattering everywhere. By beating half of the strawberries with the mixer, we infuse the strawberry flavor into the batter. The rest we just mix them in with a spatula. Now this will result to super moist with intense strawberry flavor muffins. I'm so excited! If you ever find it hard to divide the batter among the liners without making messes, just use this large cookie scoop. It holds 4 tablespoons of batter. Perfect! Look at that, how easy it is. Finally, if you want your muffins even more attractive, just drop some chopped strawberries on top and push them down a little bit before popping them to the oven. Now with my oven, 15 minutes is all it needs for perfectly baked muffins. Look at that, how beautiful! The top domes are high and dry, perfect. Each muffin is only 145 calories, so if you have 3 muffins plus 2 eggs for breakfast, it is still just 580 with 21 grams of protein. Now we just transfer them to a cooling rack to let them cool down completely before serving, but I'm sure somebody can't wait. And that would be me. Moist, not too sweet, tons of strawberry flavor in the pieces and in the crumbs themselves. Oh yes, the crumbs are just fantastic as you can see. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video or like this easy recipe, consider supporting my small channel by doing the above. Thank you so much. You have a wonderful day, okay? Bye bye.